It's just amazing. I'm just so thankful this happened.
This press conference with the trauma team at Atrium Health's main hospital in Charlotte was held to stress the importance of blood donors. A blood drive in memory of 4 fallen officers recently killed in the line of duty. Nurses, trauma surgeons, police officers, firefighters, and other first responders making the appeal to the media and the public to give blood. Not only that, they rolled up their sleeves and gave blood. Because they realized the importance of blood donations, 2 women who work at the Atrium Health Emergency Department came up with this blood drive. Meet Kathy Barnard and Becky Lieberman, 2 nurses who work in Atrium Health's Level 1 trauma unit. Days after the tragedy, they knew exactly what they wanted to do.
So many people reached out to us over those next few days after April 29th, and what can we do? What do y'all need? And we need blood. Blood saves lives, not just trauma patients, but our medical emergencies, our laboring moms, cancer patients. So what a better way to not just support our hospital, but the community.
The 2 organized the blood drive and got on the big red buses to donate along with other first responders and the public.
Donating blood is a very small ask, and it has a really great impact. It helps all of the people that are coming into our department. We know how much blood that we allocate every day, and it's just really important to replenish our blood supply so that we have enough for the next trauma patient, the next person getting surgery.
You can make a difference. Please consider donating blood and helping us save lives in our community on a daily basis.
Dr. David Calloway, one of Atrium Health's trauma doctors, proudly wearing his blood donor bandage, made appeals to the public to give blood.
You come and donate 1 unit of blood, you can save a trauma patient. You can save a cancer patient that's undergoing chemotherapy. You can save a patient that has a genetic disease that's decreasing their platelets. So with 1 donation, you can actually save 3 lives. And if you do this on a routine basis, it helps us save lives of every patient that comes to our emergency department.
It reminds you of how precious life is and how much you can do just by donating blood.
Blood donors may be called kind of first responders because they're giving blood days before a tragedy may happen, like the recent tragedy. So what would you say to get people to come in and give blood like you're doing?
Just think of others. Think of what your family or friends would be in need of labor in that situation.
Blood donors are kind of first responders in their own way, right? They're giving blood even before they know a tragedy may happen, right?
Yeah, no, I think that's a good way to think about it. That's a good way to think about, how can I help the community?
And even though this event was in response to a major tragedy, the message from these first responders is don't wait for a tragedy to give blood.
We have big events like this where, we require a lot of transfusion all at once, but more commonly we have folks that just need a unit here and there, and we're going through this stuff. It's the things that keep everybody alive.
Give for others who are in need. That's what we should be doing, in my opinion, for everybody. We're all the same.
In Charlotte, I'm Pat Michaels for OneBlood.